Today, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install two new little Rec Room copies. So, what you want to do is just go search it up on the MetaQuest store. So there's Vanilla, then there's Stella. Alright, bro. See, right there. And then okay, so for Vanilla, you're gonna need Discord, and for Stella, it's just it's a 2021, I think, login, so you don't need anything. But this one's a 2019 login, so I'll be showing you how to log in. You're gonna have to need Discord on your phone, and have to search up Vanilla Discord link on Safari or Google, whichever one. And once you're in that Discord server, what you want to go and do is go to General, do /create, and here I'll show you, because it's a weird dash, but I'll show you. It's this one. You're gonna have to do /create, and then this sign right here, right there. I'll zoom on it for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Once you have that, you're gonna go to, and then you're typing account, and then next thing is you're gonna do your password, and you're gonna use your username, password, and to use your username is easy. And then once you're done with your username, it might be confusing because you need to click the send button that's inside of Discord, not on like your keypad, your keyboard. You need to click send, or wait, no, you could send it on your keyboard. If you have a keyboard on your PC, you can click your enter button, and then it'll take you straight to the password. Okay, once you're done with that, you want to log back into Vanilla, and then you're gonna click log into existing account right here, and then you're just gonna type in your Rec Room username and your Rec Room password. And then if it doesn't work, then there's either a issue going on, or there's too many people trying to log in at once. So that was Vanilla. Now we're gonna move on to Stella. So with Stella, it's literally just simple. You don't need Discord or anything. 2021 login, and this is literally just Rec Room. And it's like, I think 2021 to 2024 maybe. But if it's like, you just need to log in like a normal person like would do with the Rec Room screen. So it might not work because it's brand new. So I'm gonna restart it. And once you're done logging in, it's gonna take you to orientation. It's like the old one, the one that got shut down. It's gonna bring you to orientation, so you can do all that. Go on bar, go to the end. Gotta just wait for a minute. Okay. Oh, there we go, finally. Retry. There we go. Let's retry it. And it is not working. I got to log in last night, but I guess it's just like, not working right now. But once you're in Stella, you just gotta do the orientation, and then, boom, there you go. I hope this helped. Like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Goodbye.